Kraksalo Rajakhor Aguli Pragna Bhavano Human Animal Interaction Noti Salsani Bagwi Khlaijakha workshop Panda Ashani Panda Mantri Animesh Debbarma Karwi Manjakha Department Kubun officers rock Abaikin Ashani Panda Noti Kok Sarani Thangi Mantri Animesh Debbarma Shaka Bishugrumna Haikinu Third March Mario Khlaijakha Wildlife Day Abano Regino Ashalo Khlaijakha Kasha workshop Panda Abandoni Bisingte Malmata Rinani Bagwi Tamotamu Shakharmung Harzaknani Nangnai Te Borokni Bagwi Kahamnai Kulmung Tubunani Noti Shazaku Koklam Ashalni Pandao Mantri Animesh Debbarma Karwi Manjakha Te Kubun Adong
When I came here, I thought the 3rd of March is of the wildlife day. So I was welcomed by three PCCFs. The senior most PCCF escorted by 2 other his junior PCCF. So they were just telling me, sir, greetings on the wildlife day. मैंने पूछा human life day कब हो? Because wildlife and human life, both the lives are important. It is my small experience as a forest minister. After I took over as minister, most of the times telephone call comes from different parts of Tripura, especially from Manjakha, from Dhalai, from Gumti also. We call it Gumoti. That my house has been broken by the wildlife elephant. It is very challenging. Now whether we have to protect the human being or we have to protect the wildlife. So I just want to tell that when the elephant enters the village, it is not simply entering the village. It is my perception. In 2 years of time, I could perceive the elephant, it enters because of the confusion. What is that confusion? The confusion could be the path through which they used to walk. That path has been blocked. Or the food they used to eat, that has been encroached by the human being, the farmers. So all this confusion, now what is our role? Chief Wildlife Warden, Mr. Chaitanya Murthy is here, and he is having many other officers in the department who are to take care of the safety and security of the wildlife. We have to devise a method. मैंने ये बोलते आया, see, we can confine the wildlife in a particular zoo. इनको भी एक freedom होना चाहिए. Now, by making some scientific solution like radio collaring, क्या होगा? Radio collaring এর অর্থ অনেকেই বুঝবেন যারা গ্রাম থেকে এসেছেন. আগে আমাদের গ্রামের দিকে গরুর গলায় ঘন্টা ছিল, ঠং 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 করে গরু যেখানেই যায় এই ঘন্টা বাজতে থাকে. Then we know that where the cow moves. This radio collaring on elephant is the same thing what they are trying to do. তো আমি জেনেই ফেললাম যে এলিফ্যান্টটা আসছে. তো এর চেষ্টাটা কি হচ্ছে? It is basically we are thinking for the human being living in that area, but we are trying to deprive that elephant. ও কি খাবে, কোথায় যাবে? It is not our choice.
Rajakhor Aguli Nishmi Pronamni Koktum Chini Khorang
আনন্দ আর ভালোবাসার দীপ্তিতে গড়া সমুজ্জ্বল পরমা, ঠিক তোমারই মতো। শ্যাম সুন্দর কোম্পানি জুয়েলার্স, আগরতলা, উদয়পুর, ধর্মনগর, কলকাতা।